In this video, you'll learn how to unblock dates on Vrbo, ensuring you have full control over your rental availability. Whether you're a seasoned host or just starting out, managing your calendar effectively is key to maximizing your rental opportunities. Let's dive into the steps to unblock those dates effortlessly. First, you need to navigate to the calendar section in your Vrbo account. Once you've logged in, take a look over at the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a navigation menu, and there you'll find an option labeled Calendar. Click on it. This is where all the magic happens, as it's your main hub for managing availability. Now that you're in the calendar, your next task is to locate the dates that are currently blocked. As you scroll through your calendar, keep an eye out for dates that stand out. They're usually highlighted in a different color, such as gray or red. This visual cue makes it easy to spot which days are unavailable for booking. Identifying these blocked dates is crucial, as it allows you to decide which ones you want to make available again. Once you've pinpointed the blocked dates you want to change, it's time to edit or delete them. Hover your cursor over the blocked dates, and you'll notice that options to either edit or delete appear. Selecting edit allows you to adjust the range of the block. Perhaps you initially blocked a week, but now only need a couple of days unavailable. Adjusting the range gives you that flexibility. On the other hand, if you no longer need the block at all, simply choose delete. This action will remove the block entirely and open up those dates for potential guests. By unblocking these dates, you're not only managing your calendar more efficiently, but also increasing your rental's visibility and potential bookings. Remember, keeping your calendar up to date is an essential part of being a successful host on Vrbo. It ensures that guests have accurate information about when your property is available, which can lead to more inquiries and reservations. And there you have it. Unblocking dates on Vrbo is a straightforward process that can significantly enhance your ability to manage your rental property. By following these simple steps, you can ensure that your calendar reflects your true availability, helping you make the most out of your listing. Whether you need to adjust a couple of days or remove a block entirely, you now have the know-how to do it with ease. Thanks for watching, and happy hosting.